Cricket has always been considered a gentleman's game, but there were some moments in the cricket field when the field of cricket turned into a battlefield. Instead of playing, the players started fighting with the ball and the bat. In today's video, we will tell you that the 10 most dangerous fights in the cricket field today can never be forgotten by the fans. Number 1. Mitchell Starc vs Kieron Pollard. Kieron Pollard Mitchell Starc's scuffle in IPL 2014 should not be played down. It was the 16th over of the Royal Challengers Bangalore chase of 188 against the Mumbai Indians at the Wankhede Stadium, Mumbai in the Indian Premier League on Tuesday. Starc had started his run up to bowl the next delivery, but the speed star was stopped midway by Pollard, which triggered a heated altercation between the two commentators. Starc refused to pull the brakes and bowled the delivery around the Pollard's leg. The West Indies batsman retaliated by throwing his bat at the bowler. Number 2. Gautam Gambhir vs Shahid Afridi. Former Indian cricketer Gautam Gambhir and Pakistani all-rounder Shahid Afridi have remained at the loggerheads for more than a decade. This incident is from the 2007 ODI series when Shahid Afridi and Gautam Gambhir fall out and they make eye contact and abuse in Urdu and Hindi. Even though the two-time World Cup winner with the Team India has bowed out from the international arena, Gambhir never shies away from the schooling Afridi by the taking slight digs at the former Pakistani skipper over non-cricketing discussions in the public domain. Yes, both Gambhir and Afridi was squared off on the cricket field when the Team India locked horns with the arch rivals Pakistan in third one-day international ODI of the 5-match series at the Kanpur's Green Park. It all began when Gambhir collided with Afridi while taking a quick single in the 20th over of the India's inning. Number 3. Marlon Samuels vs Shane Warne. Marlon Samuels had no idea that when he tugged on David Hassey's shot in a Big Bash League game, the latter's teammate Shane Warne would return the favor. Warne was not the one to hold back, as the latter allegedly intentionally hit Samuels with the throw. After this, tempers boiled and Samuels swung his bat in the direction of Ward to show his anger. They were both fined after the match and the Australian bowler even handed a one-match ban for using inappropriate language. Number 4. Ramraj Sarwan vs Glenn McGrath. This incident is still regarded as one of the worst cases of the slighting in the cricket history. Australia and West Indies faced off in Antigua and things turned ugly when McGrath hurled some unpleasant comments at Sarwan, who allegedly retorted with some comments on McGrath's wife. On field, umpires rushed to calm things down and both players were let go without any ban or fines being handed to any party involved. Number 5. Inzamam-ul Haq vs fans. What remains as one of the most infamous incidents in the cricket history where a fan was involved in an altercation During India and Pakistan's Sahara Cup match in 1997, a fan allegedly called Ismamul potato, after which he lost his cool. While the match kept on going, the fan just would not stop hurling comments on the Pakistani player, which resulted in him barging into the stands and getting physical with the fan. Security intervened and Inzamam was subsequently banned for 2 matches. Number 6. Gautam Gambhir vs Virat Kohli. One of the most controversial moments in the India Premier League history, Virat Kohli and Gautam Gambhir nearly collided with each other during a game between Kolkata Knight Riders and Royal Challengers Bangalore in 2015. After Kohli was dismissed on his way to the dugout, he got angry with something that Gambhir had said. They came close to confront each other, but Rajat Bhatia stepped in and separated the two players with some help from the on-field umpires. Number 7. Gautam Gambhir vs Shane Watson. In another incident involving Gautam Gambhir, the Indian batsman faced off with Shane Watson. This time in 2008, India and Australia were playing a test match and Gambhir was playing well. He was on the receiving end of sledging from the Watson, and the Indian batsman replied by the elbowing the bowler on his chest while trying to complete a run. Gambhir was subsequently banned for the next match. Number 8. Mitchell Clark vs James Anderson. The Ashes have always been an intense rivalry between England and Australia. In 2013, though, things went through the roof. James Anderson came out to the bat at number 10 and was on the receiving end of sledging from the George Bailey. The Englishman allegedly threatened Bailey by signaling him with a punch. After this, Australian captain Mitchell Clark got involved and he got into a verbal spat with Anderson. The tension was reduced after an intervention from the umpires, but Clark was fined 20% of his match fees due to use of inappropriate language. Number 9. Venkatesh Prasad vs Amir Sohail. India vs Pakistani games are always a heated affair. The tension was palpable as the two neighboring countries contested in a World Cup knockout tie. Pakistani batsman Amir hit Indian bowler Prasad for a biggie and asked him to go fetch the ball. The Indian bowler would have the lost love, though, as on the very next delivery, he took Amir's wicket and gestured him towards the dressing room. Number 10. Maxwell vs Sri Lanka. In a 2020 match between Sri Lanka and Australia in January 2013 at Melbourne, the home team needed 4 runs to win off last one ball with Glenn Maxwell at strike. With Thusara Perera bowling the last over, the Sri Lankan players entering into the discussion probably to decide what delivery to bowl took an unusually longer period time to deliver the final delivery. This delaying tactic injured Maxwell as he entered into a verbal altercation with the opposition players. Sri Lanka had the lost love, though, as Maxwell completely missed a wild Yorker from the Perera. This is the helpful video in which I describe top 10 high voltage fights in the cricket. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching this video.